money, you can buy anything. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I get home.
Oh, so or take home. Hi, buddy.
Hi, Johnny.
Here, naturally curl.
We getting on the river in a little bit. Pretty soon. Everybody's setting up. Here's Ethan. He doesn't want to get on the river. Alright, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Keep on going, keep on going.
Oh, do you have extra?
The new ones are growing in there.
You ready, sweetie?
What?
You ready?
Is it on?
Yep.
Oh, I got allergies.
Hello, everybody.
Cheers.
Oh, we're taking pictures. Okay, are we all set?
Everybody's vehicles locked. Cars parked, right?
Cars parked, locked.
You have the keys, babe? Very good.
Okay, Carly. I'm gonna set you off, and then I'll catch up with you, okay? You good? Okay.
Got it?
Whew.
Oh my god.
Water's a little toasty.
Toasty? Is that what that is? Toasty?
Yeah.
See, it knows I can screw in, but I just don't know where I want it. Oh yeah, it is.
It actually stayed.
Yeah, mine
Pretty
stays
stable.
pretty good, but
Oh.
Nova looks hot. You might want to splash some water on it.
Hello. How's the little puppy? Scared?
Yeah, I'm going to when we get going.
There we go. Hello, Mons.
Oh, yeah.
We're kayaking today. We got the whole family. Woo! The whole family up in here. It's gonna be fun. About 3.5 hours, maybe 3.5 hours.
Hopefully the kids won't get too tired.
Yeah.
Right, Mona?
We packed up lunches.
Go on the joyride.
All right. See you guys in a bit.
I know, isn't that like the most precious thing you've ever seen?
How romantic. Let's sing.
Hey, Tom, can you do me a favor? In my storage, here, pull. I have an orange backpack thing, and it's got a towel in it. I'm gonna lay that down for a minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's kind of like wedged. Turn around!
There you go. walk up. Uh-oh. It's deep. I got it.
Oh, like Ethan was right there when I did that camel.
I got it. How's the water, Tui? How's the water, Tui?
Actually, pretty refreshing.
Damn it. No music.
Oh, we forgot music?
Yep.
You sure that guy has music?
He's got Mona. Yeah, Connor, there you are. I wanted to get one a little bit wider.
On the paddle?
No.
Oh, that, yeah.
How you doing, Tilly?
Good. Got water in my sunglasses.
Oh, it's fucking gorgeous out.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty fucking nice out.
Yeah, it's like 80 degrees
Love.
there.
Yeah.
Boy, just wait until 1, 2 o'clock come around.
Good timing. Hey, buddy. What's going on? I can light my cigar.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, just drifted.
You have a lighter, right? Let's light one up first, and then. Things we do to get a cigar.
Priority.
Been a really nice, calm day. Everybody's enjoying it except my daughter over there. She's being pulled by my brother. She has a puppy in her lap. We got some trail behind people. Mons, how's the trip so far?
Good.
Yeah,
Really good.
that's good. We're almost halfway there, but we're gonna try to make it to take out at least by 5 today, and it's sitting around 2 o'clock, so we'll see how it goes.
Big ass shells.
Half dry already.
Cisco. He's got something.
Oh, there's a little piece of meat on there.
There's a little piece of meat on there he's trying to get. I'm already going that night too.
Nothing makes sense anymore.
Hey, we just finished up some kayaking today. Everything was perfect. No accidents. Got some low water, but it was all good. Now we're just kind of sitting in the campsite, just kind of hanging out, drinking some beers, talk about stories. We're gonna close up the chapter today, so hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you again next time. Bye. All right, I'm on my little rafty thing, floating along. I got my beer colada and some trash my daughter left last night. Scott doesn't want to get in the water yet. Beer, yep. Ton and Doggy in the little kayak. My sister. Oh, this is nice. I gotta try to find that the soft shell turtle we saw off of on the ridge. There's our campsite right there. So oh, just fell a rock. Oh, we're getting closer to the low end. Oh no, spinning. Oh no. Oh. Oh, I just got jabbed. Oh, I almost got violated by a rock. Look how close our campsite is. Pretty. Let's see what those two are doing. Oh, they're in. It's beautiful though. It's a beautiful day. Good stream. Here, you can taste it. Nice, right? Oh, I wasn't even videotaping. God damn it. Look at these burnt legs. Ooh, they are gorgeous. Hey. Hey, big fella.
Big boy. That big boy.
Ah, this is nice.
You want to share my raft, Nate?
I got this. This is a good thing.
Got them burnt legs.
You're
We got hawks circling our campsite looking for
Dogs. Looking for the dogs.
vultures.
Like
Anyhow.
these newer ones, they're good because you can go further
We need-
down.
Clamato first.
But it's still the same technology.
Can you twist?
I love these things.
They're fun. I just want to use it more, but my computer sucks, so I can't ever. Like I look on my, even my cell phone is old, so I think it's going down.
Yeah. Well, my goal this year is to do more vlogging,
Oh.
so it's gonna be a little.
You put it in your super pretty.
It's gone. I'm just using it as a container. I don't know what percentage this is.
Give me.
Gimme.
So
In a beer. Can you give me a beer?
You got her?
I think that should be good.
I'll hold it. You got better nails.
I open it this way actually. With my thumb. It's easier for me.
Model authentic micheladas.
Yep.
You pass out.
That's the best for Bloody
Oh,
Marys
oh,
too.
hey,
I mean, but add your own spices and things.
That's teamwork.
Here. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yep.
I guess I should have. At this point, I should have just got the Bud Light enchiladas.
We didn't know. When you claimed it, like, oh man, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Just throw this in there.
It's a good Sunday beer.
Brunch.
Cheers.
Brunch.
Cheers.
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 Normally we're packed up and gone
Yeah.
home. It's nice to enjoy
This is
next
like
I
a
love
perfect
this.
Sunday
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
here.
Sure. This is the bomb.
Like
Take
no
it.
stress, just sitting in the fucking water,
Waiting for turkey vultures to pick us
waiting
off.
for the eagle to come by
That's
again.
delicious.
I wish a motherfucker would.
Hey,
That'd be a good photo op. Get close. I know.
No, the eagles will pick off my drone easily.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful with that.
Oh
Cool
god, you should
video
just
ending,
bust
but-
out the drone right here. Us out in here. Oh, there's a guy. How the heck did you get in though?
That's Brad.
Watch, there's probably an access point there. None of us went
What?
down that far.
that's our campsite guy.
Yeah.
He's like, fuck.
God damn
He's
it.
like, I thought
Get
they
out
were
of
No
my
privacy
sight.
at all.
He's like, damn it, I have no pants on.
He was like, I thought they went to town.
Oh, that's a better combo.
A little bit more. I like extra.
I like extra. Let me hold this for a second. Sorry, I'm so needy.
Do what Ton's doing,
What?
and then one of us needs
Oh,
to kind of
okay.
anchor you.
Okay.
You kind of need an anchor point.
Make that butt pointy.
Kind of
Anchor it down.
counterbalance.
Because I don't weigh it down much. I still float.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, every once in a while.
I'm doing the chieftain style.
What is your back say? CC John? I had to brand myself.
In case she forgets
Just
sometimes.
yeah, just in case,
Who I
just in
got
case
married.
she forgets.
Who am I again?
Could you look behind my back? See what stamp is this?
For when I die, they know who I am.
But then they got somebody got to read loud though.
What's Nate's last name?
Quigley.
Wiggly?
Yeah, keep your
Quigley.
last name.
Quigley?
That's a fun last name. I like that.
Linda Quigley.
Quigley Sisu John?
I told Nate if we ever get married,
Hyphenated.
he's taking my name.
If you
See how that
I'm
worked
not
out.
changing my name again. Carry the dog.
Get it, Carly.
She made it.
You guys ever peed and take GoPro footage?
at the same time.
At the same
man.
time, I have. Enjoy the moment. Together, guys. Together. While you're watching this, I'm peeing right
The
now.
way she holds her,
Totally
the
forgot
way
about
she
the
holds her
dog.
paws,
I
she's
totally
like
forgot
this.
about the dog in the whole situation.
It's like a suitcase.
Is he gonna just toss her up there?
Yeah, he's gonna get like,
Oh.
Why doesn't he hold her with a strap? Look how her paws are. The front paws, she tucks in. The strap's too high. He lifted up there. He forgot.
He's got the root. It's okay. Fucking throw the dog.
There we go.
Man.
Like, she won't move though because she has the
Roadblock. It's a roadblock.
She's like, I can't move.
Hopefully
in
she
this
doesn't
vest.
tip over.
Oh, she's walking. She's walking. Where's Carly going? She's going back out the other way?
There it is.
It looks like
There ain't no way.
Going around?
going around. He can pull you up in that kayak.
Carly, it'll help.
This whole
Sit in the
this whole
kayak.
lot.
Just hold on.
Put your life vest on just like the way how Nova is, and he'll pull you with it.
See? He's already there. You've already been there if you were in the kayak, Carly. Oh, shit.
Molly, are you sure?
Oh, I'm positive.
You would have been up there by now.
Yep. Because Tom was halfway with his rope.
We got the kayak, the
Go
dog.
back. Go
Ooh.
back.
Ooh!
Go back. Tom will save you.
You guys could have seen that fish.
I saw it jump.
We saw it. Don't mind that.
We just pull you up.
Follow your
Tom's
situation.
already there. He's up above.
You about a quarter
Grab
way
onto
back.
my good hand.
Hopefully you're right.
Come on.
See? He's there.
I think you can do it.
Yeah, you're halfway there.
There's a hammock calling your name.
So no. So white.
This is very good content,
It's
Carly.
really good. I couldn't even tell.
It's pretty
This is good YouTube content.
Like, I sprayed on myself. Like, you need to think about the child. Because
I don't have that
Seriously.
mentality yet.
Nova went though.
normally I do. That's the thing.
She probably went under the camper.
Yeah. It's silly.
Probably seeking
She's
water.
probably chewing off that vest.
It's like
Is there a ghost on the? Is there a ghost in the shore?
That's what I've heard.
Ooh, this
Sounds
is
like
good
Char-
skipping rock.
Sounds like Charlie Brown's mom the entire time.
Here we go.
Uh-oh. It's about to get real. Get it, Carly!
They're gonna
She's so red in her back.
take this.
Oh.
That was very close though.
Good start. Good start.
Is the effort.
It's so funny how easily he gets up and half an hour later.
Come on.
He said, come on.
You got this on video?
Oh yes.
What is that?
I feel like that.
It's the road. The road's
That's the
fucking
road
right
ad.
there.
That's a
The
row ad.
row ad.
Row ad. Look, she's doing it.
Get it.
If I was that age, I'd be climbing up that sector in no time.
You say that now.
I would have done it now if I didn't have a gimp ass leg and
You
shoulder
say that
and
now.
back.
You know what you were like 30 fucking years ago?
Yeah, I do. I'm jumping off cliffs.
Blips.
There we go. Hey!
Night night.
Go take a nap.
Should take a shower first.
Hey, don't forget the sunscreen.
Don't.
Clean, do something.
Yeah, don't let that stank be in the hammock.
That comes with the rental.